With radar this morning to show you what we're seeing. The rainfall rates on the North Shore have been about 3/4 of an inch an hour. We can handle that. That's what you're seeing in these lighter yellows and greens. South Shore, about the same story. Now, the problems have been out here near Lafayette and back through Lake Charles. That's where your rainfall rates have been much higher, and that's the type of rain that can lead to flooding. So we're watching that closely because it's been inching very, very slowly our way, but we're still doing okay at this immediate hour. A lot of rain has fallen on the North Shore over the overnight hours. We're talking anywhere from 4 to 5 to nearly 8 inches of rain in isolated spots. Again, though, it's been spread out over the overnight hours, so it hasn't added up very quickly. The bigger flooding issues have been back west near Lafayette, Opelousas, DeRidder. These places have all been dealing with street flooding this morning, but for us, we are mostly just dealing with wet roads. Again, a lot of this rain is light to moderate with occasionally some intense bands here. We've got a heavy shower and storm near Waveland and Bay St. Louis. Also lightning embedded in that, maybe some gusty winds too. Same thing across the North Shore, a lot of light to moderate rain continuing, although it's actually wrapping up some in Kentwood, northern parts of Washington Parish. The worst of the heavy rains past you at this hour. We're not done though. We got to track a whole nother batch of storms moving out of Texas. So this is the morning round. That's the afternoon round. And if you've got plans this afternoon, we're talking anywhere from noon through about 4 p.m. We have another batch of heavy showers, some thunderstorms, maybe a strong storm or two moving on through. Luckily, if you've got evening plans, maybe a dinner time, 7, 8 o'clock, this is great. I have us mostly dry by this evening, so a lot of the rain will move on out after the 4 p.m. hour, but before it does, we'll be on that flood watch. Again, the intensity of the rain will come up and down. If it rains heavy on you for more than 30 minutes, just assume you're going to be dealing with street flooding, especially in those normal flood-prone areas. But this is this afternoon, just socked in the rain. Heaviest of the rain south of the lake, with even some intense thunderstorms approaching our coastal areas. This evening, much drier. We're going to see the chance for rain drop off some tomorrow. I've got us at 40%, back up to 60% Friday. And of course, since the ground will already be saturated, we'll be back on street flood watch for your Thursday afternoon and especially into Friday afternoon.